Is Google search going to be killed? I don't think so. But yeah, there is one thing which is going to be giving a very tough competition to Google search itself. So guys, I was going through my, you can say the Twitter post, or you can say I was scrolling through it. So there is a new keyword is going trending right now, which is SearchGPT onto the Twitter feeds. I was going through my Twitter feeds and I got to know about the SearchGPT. So that's what we are going to talk about in this video. Hi guys, my name is Pranjul and I'm back again with another video of our channel. So let's start. So basically SearchGPT is a new, you can say, search AI feature, prototype AI feature, which is introduced by the OpenAI. It's a kind of a temporary AI search feature right now. So it's a prototype basically. So they are like testing it right now. So guys, let's check it out. So guys, as you can see here, it says SearchGPT is a prototype of a new AI search feature. As you can see, I'm using the Arc browser, which giving me the reference, or you can say the brief information about that particular page have. So it's giving me a kind of brief summary about it, what this page contains, right? So as you can see, SearchGPT is a prototype of a new AI search feature. Feature is combine AI model with the web. Features like combining AI models with the web info for faster and relevant answers. Let's dive into the website. So as you can see, it's a SearchGPT prototype right now. So it's kind of a temporary thing, but it can be permanent. Who knows? So as we can see, OpenAI currently testing it. We are testing SearchGPT, a temporary prototype of a new AI feature. It gives a fast and timely answer with a clear and relevant sources. So I'm assuming that it is like make us less effort to like find something, or you can say the relevant answer for us, right? You know, whenever we are going through the Google search or multiple answers from the Stack Overflow, right? So it can be help us with the giving us the more relevant and concrete, or you can say concise answer from it, because it's using the AI models, right? So that kind of, I think I'm assuming that. So we should gonna join this waitlist as well. I'm assuming it's kind of a conversation kind of a thing we are doing in the SearchGPT. It's a new way to search. Getting answers on the web can take a lot of effort, right? I'm totally agree with the OpenAI. Often requiring multiple attempts to get the relevant results. We believe that by enhancing the conversational capability of our model with the real-time information from the web. So as I'm assuming that it's gonna make a conversational way with the stuff available onto the web. So it can they are training their model to communicate with the web stuff itself and give us the concise and relevant answers, right? So I think that's gonna be a very, you can say, I'm really gonna use that for my future searches, I gonna say, because I think it can be very relevant to use SearchGPT over the Google search, right? So as you can see, AI search is going to become the one of the key ways that people navigate to the internet, and it's crucial in the early days that the technology is built on the way of the value, respect, and that's the just a rubbish thing. We are just only focused on the how it can helps us and give us the more concise and relevant answers to our questions, right? So you guys have to wait for some time until I guess the access of that particular search prototype. So now let's talk about the another news I have. So Google is not also behind the OpenAI as well. So they are launching their new AI model, which is Gemini 1.5 Flash. So basically it's faster than the old one, you can say, and it has more concise and available for the both web and the mobile. And one more thing, it's available for the free users as well. So you don't need to have to buy any subscription or anything. So you can just directly go to the mobile app, or you can say the web version of the Gemini to access that particular Flash version. For the more video about the SearchGPT, you guys have to wait. And until then, you can subscribe my channel. And if you found this video useful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment, are you gonna subscribe that, or you gonna join that waiting list of the SearchGPT or not? And until then, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.